friends, I am Dr. Kanchan Gupta from Dr. Kanchan's desk. I welcome you all at my desk. Today my topic is very important about aggression, anger. I want to say that try to hug joy and happiness. Just forget about getting aggressive. Don't be an angry bird. Don't be the victim of worries and anger. If worries are the daughters of devil to kill us, anger is the son of demon who don't let us live happily. Anger causes a lot of harms on psychosomatic level. Anger destroys our image in society. The anger is such a fire that burns our physical and mental health. It causes pains about lumbar, sacrum, coccyx region and deep in brain. It causes depression, bursitis, headaches, respiratory disorders, burning of skin and vital parts have burning sensation. It causes heart attacks, brain strokes, high blood pressure, trembling, paralysis, collapse, digestive disorders. So why don't you leave this habit of getting angry without reason? Anger is good as a as your emanation to save yourself, but never misuse it. Love yourself first of all and transfer your love to others. Don't hold fireball of anger to burn your peace of mind. Those people who don't release past get angry soon. So release your past. Forgive everyone who have done wrong to you. Don't repent. Bring balance by loving yourself. First of all, love yourself. Release the past. Give vent to those means of anger and aggressions which are hidden in your subconscious mind, which are burning continuously and will turn to burn your personality forever. Think that you are that power who can bring balance. You have right and authority to feel good. Feel good. I learned and followed these affirmations from great motivational speaker Mrs. Louise Hay. Create peace and harmony within yourself and environment. Allow time to heal every area of your life. Suppressed anger is a dormant volcano which can burst anytime. If it arises, it kills humans. Excess of expectation leads to aggression. Don't expect anything beyond the boundary. Unreasonably aroused, excess of anger is caused by disturbance of our brain chemicals, the neurotransmitters. The disturbed level of serotonin and dopamine level. Anger may be inherited. Angry nature may be acquired by the environment, the surrounding. If you find anyone in your family that he or she gets angry all the time without any reason, shouts, abuses, please meet any psychotherapist. Go to psychotherapist, psychologist and give treatment, treat the neurotransmitters with medicines. Neurotransmitters get in level, in order and anger and worries disappear. Now, I would like to tell you about miraculous effects of homeopathy to treat neurotransmitters and calm down the patient and destroy the anger forever. First of all, drink enough water to get brain oxygen, to let brain oxygenate it, to calm mind. Water is the cooling system of our body. Now, first of all, I would like to promote chamomilla in homeopathy as the calming, soothing medicine for the brain. I have find it at its marvelous level of treatment. It treats within a few days or few minutes or few weeks. I don't want to say that it has cured within few weeks. I have find that chamomilla has cured the patients who were the victim of anger. Since many years, they got fine within 1 week and they never reacted badly. Chamomilla. And next, Caliphos. Caliphos is the chemical which is produced, potassium is produced to keep brain activity in order. Caliphos. If anger gets suppressed by misbehavior of someone as boss, insulting employees, the students, hurt by teachers, child by anyone in home, school or surroundings, or from neighborhood, or by bullying by others causes depression, the anger gets suppressed. The person cannot speak up in in response. Physical, mental or emotional problems are created by suppressed anger. Then use Staphysagria. It's a marvelous medicine in homeopathy to get anger, not extrovert, not to react with the person who has hurt us, but it destroys the feeling of getting angry. If someone always abuses, curse always, you without reason, please use anacardium. Anacardium is that medicine who don't let person to abuse others or curse others. Now, what are the potencies? Potencies and doses I use are 200, 1 m, 6x, 12x, and doses according to the severity of the ailment. Anger is a disease state of mind, and the person who is diseased by it make others in family, in offices, in surroundings diseased. The whole atmosphere gets diseased. So anacardium for those who abuses and curse, Staphysagria for suppressed anger, chamomilla and caliphos for any kind of defect in neurotransmitter. Now choose your potency and doses according to severity of the ailment and age of patient. I think that you must have liked my lecture. If you have liked, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening.